If you make less than $40,000 a year, people say you'll never be a millionaire. That's a lie. In 2026, I'll show you the exact 7 steps to get there anyway. Step 1. Track every single dollar. Millionaires on low income win because they know where their money goes. Use a free app. No more, I don't know where it went. Step 2. Pay yourself first. Before rent, before food, before anything. Move 10% to savings automatically. Even $20 counts. This builds the millionaire habit in your brain. Step 3. Kill high-interest debt. Credit cards at 29% are stealing your future. Use snowball method. Pay smallest debt first. Free up cash to invest faster. Step 4. Increase your income. You can't save your way to $1 million on $15 per hour. Learn one skill in 2026. AI, sales, coding. Add $500 per month minimum. Step 5. Invest the difference. Open a Roth IRA and S&P 500 index fund. Set it and forget it. $200 per month at 8% becomes $1.1 million in 40 years. This is compound interest. It's like a snowball. Small at first, then huge. The earlier you start, the less money you need to reach $1 million. Step 6. Avoid lifestyle inflation. When you make more money, don't buy a new car. Keep living like you're broke. Invest the raise instead of spending it. Step 7. Be patient for 10 to 20 years. This is not get rich quick. This is get rich for sure. Millionaires are made in boring, consistent years, not overnight. Example time. Sarah makes $35,000. She saves $300 per month and invests it. At 8% return, she hits $1 million by age 55. No lottery needed, just math. But what about inflation in 2026? Good question. That's why we invest in assets. Stocks and businesses beat inflation. Cash in your bank loses value every year. Mistake 1. Waiting to make more money before investing. Start with $25. Time in the market beats timing the market. Every single time, without exception. Mistake 2. Trying to pick stocks. You will lose. Buy the whole market instead. S&P 500. It's lazy, it's boring, and it makes millionaires every decade. Mistake 3. Pulling money out when the market crashes. 2026 will have crashes. That's when you buy more. Millionaires buy when everyone else is scared. Where do you find $200 per month? Cancel subscriptions. Cook at home. Drive a used car. Sell stuff. The money is already in your budget. You just haven't found it. The biggest secret? Your income. Get 2 income streams in 2026. Your job plus 1 side hustle. Freelance, content, e-commerce. This cuts your millionaire timeline in half. AI is your cheat code in 2026. Use ChatGPT to learn skills faster. Use it to start a business. Low-income people who use AI will out-earn everyone else. Taxes matter. Use a Roth IRA. Pay taxes now while you're low income. Withdraw $1 million later, tax-free. This saves you hundreds of thousands over your life. Protect your money. Get term life insurance. Get an emergency fund. One hospital bill can wipe out 5 years of investing if you're not careful. Surround yourself with money people. Listen to podcasts. Read books. Follow people who talk about investing, not drama. Your network becomes your net worth. Automate everything. Auto transfer to savings. Auto invest to index funds. Auto pay bills. If you have to think about it, you won't do it consistently. Don't compare yourself. Your friend's new BMW is their debt. Your boring index fund is your future million. Stay in your lane and keep building quietly. Review once per year. Check your investments. Increase your savings rate. Celebrate small wins. $10,000 saved is closer to $1 million than $0 was. This works in 2026 because the tools are free. Free investing apps. Free AI. Free education. You have no excuse. Low income is not a life sentence anymore. Quick recap. Track. Pay yourself. Kill debt. Earn more. Invest. Avoid creep. Be patient. 7 steps. That's it. Not easy, but simple. Which step will you do first? Comment below. If this helped, subscribe for more money videos made simple. Remember, millionaire isn't about income, it's about decisions.